are watching our video for the first time, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell button to enable it. Like, comment and share. Hello everyone, welcome back to Afza's world. Today we are going to experiment a new home decor craft. So it is best out of waste. So here we are going to use newspaper, a Pringles empty can, a stick, it should be thin like this, a paintbrush, glue, scissors, golden acrylic paint, black acrylic paint. So let's start the craft. First I'm going to roll the newspaper like this. So we finished rolling. After that, take the glue and leave a small tip and apply a dot of glue over there and stick it well. So we rolled out many more sticks like the one I showed you. So in a small plate like this, add some glue and add the same amount of water. Mix it with a brush. Apply the glue on the can. And stick the tissue paper on it. Now again apply the glue on the tissue paper. Apply the glue on the paper stick also and stick it on the Pringles can. So now our vase is ready.
Now we are gonna decorate this vase using newspaper. For this, take some newspaper and cut it like this and put it in a bowl and pour some water.
To make it wet and let it sit for 2 minutes.
After 2 minutes, take the papers and roll it. Now the balls are ready.
I'm going to stick the paper balls on the strip. So first I'm going to take the glue. Now we are going to make the flower. For this, draw a circle on A4 size white paper and cut it out. I cut the paper according to the line. Now I am rolling the paper like a flower. See, my flower is ready. We are going to paint it. Take some black paint and take a sponge and dip it in the black paint and paint the vase.
Now we are going to apply the golden paint.
Now we are going to paint the flowers.